I did an online IQ test. In fact, I did it more than once. My IQ, it seems, is 122, which is silly as I'm quite a dunce. 122, it says, is apparently the same intelligence as Einstein, which is almost like saying, when talking to me, from the ridiculous to the sublime. I know about E equals mc squared. I even know what it means. But oddly enough, I don't even own a single pair of jeans. It shows energy and mass are interchangeable. I hope now I've started it can be explainable with c squared, or c to the power of 2, or the speed of light squared as the conversion factor. Either I know about this stuff or I should get an award as best actor. It's quite simple, but at the same time perilously complicated. I personally believe knowledge of this stuff is highly overrated. E equals energy, that seems quite obvious to me. M equals mass, matter, or stuff are explanations of what it could be, while mass and energy can be converted into each other, intrinsically not the same thing. Wow, this is getting proper complicated, like the epic journey from Lord of the Rings. Matter is a specific type of stuff, while energy is a property that all stuff possesses. My brain's doing loops inside my skull as this complicated process progresses. A small amount of energy can be converted into a vast amount of stuff. A small amount of stuff can be converted into a vast amount of enough. Einstein, of course, was a really clever geezer, whereas I'm as clever as a bag of Maltesers. Even worse than that, as it's been left out in the sun. A nasty bag of stickiness as the melted chocolate has run. Not really my problem, as I don't like them anyway. Although none of the above was what I wanted to say. Did you know that Amish don't wear buttons either? Obviously in the know. Clever folks, ladies, kids and geezers. There is a connection to the stuff I said before. I'll stop this now before you start to snore. Obviously my knowledge is as solid as a bowl of pancake batter. If I'm not multiplied by the speed of light squared, does it even matter? Back to the beginning of the IQ test that said it was 122. I did the test more than once, so was the result really true?